Hello there guys, so we're here in Milan and we made it. I'm so happy. Grabe nakakaloka dito sa Milan. Train station pa nilang ganda na. Look at that, amazing. Para ako nasa museum. It reminds me of Musée d'Orsay in Paris. It's so wow. I like it. So we are about to board the train and we are going to Como. Yes! Yay!
Ito na lang ang natira.
The baon, pepero. Kayupi-yupi.
And our favorite snacks. Our peanut butter. This is really nice.
Yes! Panikini pa na niya sinahid. And we are here at Verona, one of the 3 places we are visiting here in the region of Como. Wow! We are gonna eat there. So we're gonna eat and I'm so happy. What's your food, mother?
I have omelette, ham omelette.
Usual
Homemade.
spaghetti. Cheers, this is my espresso.
Very good.
This is my simple pizza margarita.
And of course,
It's a family-run business and yung pizza nila is sourdough. Margarita lang yung in-order ko pero ang sarap. We are outside the San Giorgio bell tower. Look at that. And from above you can see the whole of Bellagio and Menagio. Unfortunately, I think it is closed so we cannot go up. So guys, we are walking at Passeggiate degli Innamorati. I don't know if I've murdered that word. I'm sorry for my Italian friends who think I was silly enough to try that one. But it's actually a lover's walk. Oh, I'm not that bitter at all. Pero si Judge, hinahanap-hanap si because it's the lover's walk. Hi everyone! So we're on the ferry now. Akala nyo last na yung ferry rides natin sa Venice, no? Pero we're still riding boats and ferries and we are leaving Verona. Twinning is winning. Mother, ituturo ko na to. Grand Hotel Menagio. Diyan tayo mag-hotel next time. Ito yung upuan. I stand corrected kasi nakatayo talaga. Ayoko magkamali ulit, pero I think this is Bellagio na. Hello everyone, so it's getting hot and it's of course gelato o'clock.
yeah, it's really nice. It's authentic gelato from all the gelato that we've been eating since we arrived in Italy. This is the best one I've tasted and it's here in Bellagio.
Mga kailangan ng souvenir.
Then I hope to see you again next time in Bellagio.
I hope so.
E ci individuo
Soon.
Molte grazie. Ciao, ciao.
Grazie mille. Ciao. So it's been an hour bus ride from saan na tayo galing Bellagio to Lake Como. Time check, it's already 10 past 7 I think. And we're walking on our way to the funicular so that we can go up there. It's this little place in here called Bornate, where we will see fantastic views of Como. So we bought these tickets for $5.50 each. Hope we could see like fantastic sunset views around Lake Como. Yes, that's a funicular. Oh nice. Amazing, amazing. I'm on the top of the world, do 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 do. And the train station is just a few minute walk from here, so we can actually just hop on anytime we want. We're going home. Wow! The Duomo Cathedral is very, very lovely. It's glowing and it's like the light upon the dark. It's really, really good. You should see it in person. Kakain. And dinner! Most favorite time of the day. And I ordered some steak kasi it's been a while since I last had one. Like last week. Oops. Judge, of course, had her bolognese again. Enjoy everyone. So it's our last day here in Milano, actually in the whole of Italia. How do you feel, Mother?
Of course, I'm a little bit tired, but I'm still excited because we still have a lot to do today.
We booked this attraction at Get Your Guide. You can go directly inside the Duomo if you have the barcode. So you just have to download the Get Your Guide app para you can scan it directly. So we're on our way to our pasta cooking session na.
You just don't have to throw away everything, but just the one. Not put it on a pot. Okay? But we're not using the mixers anymore, because otherwise we would kind of like ruin the consistency. One white in, and then we fold the two parts together. You put them in there. Did you check? Yeah. Yeah, that do this. You take exactly. Clean the fork and
So you have to do it in a wood table.
on the floor. It's okay. Soup. And also, probably you put a little bit too much, Bobby.
Too much.
So we kind of like we shot a failure here. We have to do it again. Also, Matt taking pictures. I'm taking pictures of Matt taking pictures.
This is a perfect.
A lot of pressure, huh?
Yeah, I'm
Bobby?
shaking now.
Bobby, I think this time we have a good one. Yep. Well done. You want to say something?
I'm so happy I did it finally.
What? Pen? And you make a pen. Pen.
Thanks.
So we just very gentle because they're in sauce as well.
We made this ourselves.
And the other one is because it's a bit bitter compared to the sweetness.
Hey guys, so we just finished our, it's not really a cooking class, pero parang meal with your friends, but you have to make it your own, yeah? Pietro was really accommodating, it's very helpful, we learned so much from him. So to burn the calories, we had, we are going up the Duomo.
I'm breathless.
This is your exercise.
I know.
Can you still do it?
After having lunch, oh my God, I need to burn the calories. But I think
Do you want to stay here?
no, I need to walk.
Duomo is the most decorated church in the world with the most statues. So, above the rooftop, mas marami pa tayo makikita. Ngayon, naglalakad na tayo papuntang Santa Maria della Grazie ba? Makikita na natin ang masterpiece ni Tito Leonardo da Vinci. It's a hot afternoon here in Milano. It's very humid. Pawis na yung kilikili ko. Oops, sorry. Hindi pala dapat sabihin mo. But the first one is here in Milan, of course, and it's one of the biggest ones as well. So she's helping us. It's only found in Milano.
Yeah.
See?
All right.
So they say na kapag pinapaka mo yung testicles ng bull and you spin 3 times, you're gonna get lucky. So let's do it. Oh, I'm dizzy na. So kailangan na din mag-sign off sa vlog. Thanks for watching. Sama kayo sa next adventure namin next time.